Today on Sustainability, we're going to talk about exterior walls. As previously mentioned, your walls are the #1 source of energy loss in the home, so this is a really important topic. And there are some easy ways to reduce that. We talked before about advanced framing techniques, which allow you to pack the wall with insulation. However, that's only reducing the problem. There's still some energy loss through the wall. So when you look at the exterior wall, what can you do to eliminate some more of that energy loss? Well, the standard to date has been to basically attach a piece of plywood or a flat piece of wood, sometimes called OSB, directly to the studs. So this big flat sheet of wood attaches to the stud, and then you'll see oftentimes a white, could be a different color, but typically white weatherproofing that is kind of wrapped around the house on top of that. The name Tyvek is one that you'll often see on new homes. The issue there is you're still losing energy through the stud, through that exterior sheathing, out to the exterior of your home. So what you can do about that is you can actually put exterior insulation on top of that. If you have an existing home, this could be a really worthwhile upgrade to look into. It's pretty easy to do. It can go in between that exterior sheathing and whatever siding you have on your home. For a new build, a really easy thing to do, or a quick thing to do I should say, that's really affordable, is to cut some strips of insulation, and between that wood stud and the exterior wall you can actually put those strips of insulation. Now the problem with that is builders are really reluctant to do something like that. It's a little bit out of their standard process. It's taking them time and energy, so they're not likely to adopt it. And that's why we fell in love with a product like this. We're using zip sheathing. There are many brands that do this now, but you can actually see it's everything integrated in one. So you have a layer of insulation here, you have your sheathing and your exterior wrap. In this case it's just a green coating that prevents weather, all integrated in one. So the benefit of that is the builder can just put it up, nail it directly to the stud, no change to their process. In fact, it might even make it a little bit faster because they don't have to go around and wrap the house afterward. So for this product is actually a little bit more expensive than your standard, but not too bad. You'll actually make back your investment in 2 to 4 years. So we talked about break-even analysis, 2 to 4 years for something like this. Definitely worthwhile to look into. Another thing that we mentioned before is the convenience. Being in the home and not having to worry about your air conditioner or your heater running constantly. This is a product that can help prevent that energy loss and prevent that from happening. And then the impact, of course, with that comes impact to the environment and knowing that you're not using as much energy. So thanks for tuning in. The takeaway is use some sort of exterior insulation on your home to prevent all of that energy from inside of your home from being lost to the outside.